Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 32nd session and we have got a little bit of font formatting happening in there, right? To the text that's within a cell. In this case, I did the monthly budget, made a bold, made it bigger, changed the color, right? I changed the font also, no longer Calibri, but now we got Arial Black. Might you pick your favorite font as well? It's up to you. But let's take a look at another really quick feature here. I want to change the background color of my title. Now, the titles, a title bit more unique because I have made it so big, it actually expands across different cells, right? It's bleeding to the multiple cells. You see here that the main cell is B2, right? So the main cell is B2, but then it also bleeds into C2, D2 and E2, right? And if I start making it bigger, it going to keep going there. So we are going to talk about changing the background color here, but we also need to adjust the space that that text is found within, right? So we are going to change background color here in B2. But then in a later video, we are going to talk about a feature called merge and center. So we'll come back to that once again, but put it in the back of your head, hold on to that idea for a moment, and then we do need to adjust this and we'll come back to it. Alright, so let's talk about the fill color right now, the background color of Excel. Really simple. So I need to select or click on the new cell such as B2, and I'm going to go back to my home tab, and underneath the font section you got a little paint bucket. Right? Hit the little down arrow just like the font color right next to that capital A. It's broken up into the same theme color and the standard colors, right? So here I'm going to pick a color. I made the text initially blue, but I think I'm going to change some stuff. So let's say I'm going to make the background color blue, which kind of overrides my text, and I'm going to make the text white. So I make it blue, and then I went back to the font color and make it white. That's looking pretty good. I like the background color. I like how the white text makes the pop. But now we are running into an issue of, I'm not seeing the rest of the text. So what I'm going to do here first is going to be, it's not really that what I want to do it, but we are going to do it this way to hold on for just a moment, and then I'm going to show you another option later on. So for right now, to get that text to show up, I'm going to highlight C2. When I hold down my left mouse button, I'm going to drag all the way over to I column. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and change the fill color and the background color so that it gets blue color as well. Blue color. Okay. Let's just get that nice title there. Alright, looking pretty good. Now it's not absolutely finished here yet. Like I said, we are going to talk about merge and center in just a little bit. But for now, quickly grab a cell such as your title. There may be multiple cells like B2 to I2, and let's change the fill color. Pick whatever you want. If you need to change your font color, if you feel this is mismatched color, change that as well. No worries on that. But try that out and then just jump into the next video. Till the time, thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoyed this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we will meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.